Happy Saturday, everyone. We are out here. Made more baskets last night. Brought them all out. And we are set up again. This is day 4. A little bit windy, but it's not raining. I've had people say that they will be back. I've had some folks that's supposed to come by 3 o'clock to pick up some baskets. Someone wants that rose basket, rose bear here. That's this one. So the baskets are looking really good. I need to put a bow on that one. I didn't realize it didn't have a bow. And there's that beautiful sign. Got my balloons flying over here and over here. And there's one in the back. He doesn't want to stay out. He keeps coming in the house. I keep putting him out like a child, going out there and play. Bye. So I'm fixing to go put him out again, but day 4, we've been out here about 30 minutes now. And then we've had a couple of people stop by. We have not sold anything yet, but I think that's going to change as the evening progresses. Remember, if you can be out with somebody, be out with someone. I am out here with my 17-year-old. So she's keeping me company today. And be mindful of your surroundings. We haven't gotten that busy here yet, but it will. It will pick up.